Okay, today we're gonna do a replacement on the side mirror. You can see here's a Almera, and the side mirror is pretty missing here. And here we got the parts, Tanchong. So you see genuine parts. Well, come, let's open it. Okay, right side. Okay, so right now let's see how we're gonna slot it here to here. Okay, there's a 4 notches there. You can see here's the same. Right. Okay. Let's try it. Thing is to align the 4 notches to this side mirror. Not sure how it works, but yeah, why don't give it a try? Yeah, let's give it a try. Okay, it will be something like this. Yep. Okay, let's go. Okay, once you got it aligned, you just give it a press, and I think it's in. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Fits to the mirror. Okay. There you go. Almera side mirror installed. Okay, you can try to do this at home. Pretty simple. Yeah, all the best. Enjoy. Yep, it's fun. Right, if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a great day.